Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are struggling to build high quality backlinks for your website or for your clients, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to share one of the best kept secret professional SEOs and data marketers are using right now to boost ranking and grow authority. And it all starts with Slack. Yes, Slack isn't just for team chats anymore. It's become a goldmine for league exchanges, guest posts, paid placements, and real networking opportunities. So let's break this down. I'm a part of 5 active Slack communities dedicated to link building collaboration. Here they are: build backlinks, off-page SEO community, SaaS links, and exchange workplace, etc. These communities are packed with SEO experts, link builders, content marketers and website owners, all looking to exchange links, offer guest posts, or place paid links in a safe and collaborative environment. But before jump in, here's why the Slack communities work better than cold emails and random outreach. Real people, real conversation, pre-vetted websites, and active collaboration. No spammy backlinks, only quality connections. Let me quickly show you how to collaborate inside these communities. Once you join, head over to channel like link exchange, guest post, opportunities, or paid placement. Here's you can either post your own site and what you are looking for, like hi everyone, I have a tech site, domain authority 45, looking for link exchange with similar niche, or respond to someone, make sure your website is relevant to what they are seeking. This helps keeps the community clean and your reputation strong. Now here's a pro tip: don't just pitch your websites like a robot. Always mention the niche, domain authority, domain rating, traffic if possible, and clearly state whether you are offering guest posts, link inserts, paid links, or looking for collaboration. This saves time and gets you better results. Most deals actually happens in DMs, direct message, so be polite, professional, and always check each other website's quality before exchanging links. And here's the beauty, whether you are an agency, freelancer, or website owner, these communities can save you hours of outreach and get you high authority links without paying a fortune. So if you have been spending months emailing strangers, it's time to change the game. Join these Slack groups and start collaborating today. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribes and ring the notification bell. I'll be dropping more actionable SEO growth hacks and link building secrets just like this one. And hey, please comment below if you want me to make a video on how to write the perfect link exchange pitch for these communities. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.